Barlow Creations. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. What have I got going on for you for today? Today I am bringing to you a DIY all-natural sunscreen. A sunscreen that you can make right at home where you know what ingredients are being put into your sunscreen. So let's jump into it. Let me show you just how easy it is to make your own homemade sunscreen. For the all-natural sunscreen, I'll be using a tablespoon of beeswax pellets, a half a cup of almond oil, a half a cup of solidified coconut oil, which is a hardened coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of this zinc oxide, which Simply Earth also provided me, and lastly, I will be using this marjoram essential oil. I also picked up this 2-pack of plastic containers from the Dollar Tree to put my all-natural sunscreen in. For the all-natural sunscreen, again, I will be using the double broiler method. And I'm gonna add my 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets, 1/4 cup of hardened solidified coconut oil, a half a cup of almond oil, and 2 tablespoons of the zinc oxide that was provided in this month's recipe box. And I'm going to stir with my popsicle stick until everything is blended and melted nicely. Zinc oxide is a mineral and it's used topically for skin. It can treat diaper rash, minor burns, severely chapped skin, or other minor skin irritations. It's also used to treat itching, burning, irritation, and there are so many other great uses for zinc oxide. After reading about it, it is such a healthier way, more natural way to make your sunscreen. My mixture is completely melted down. I'm gonna remove this from the heat, let it set for a minute, then we're gonna add our essential oils. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add 50 drops of this marjoram essential oil. I'm gonna go ahead and stir this so everything plays nice together and is all mixed in. And boy, oh boy, does the smell of this smell amazing. This reminds me of sunscreen and the beach. I love this. And now I'm gonna pour this into the container that I bought for my sunscreen. You apply this where sun protection is needed and reapply after sweating or swimming. This sunscreen is not waterproof. This will solidify just a bit. It'll go to the consistency of a lotion. You want to store this in a dark, cool place. And the reason I chose this container from the Dollar Tree is because it's got a flip lid here, so you could easily access your cream. This month, Simply Earth sent me an amazing diffuser recipe that I absolutely love. I don't typically share the diffuser recipes, but this one smells so much like summer, I just had to share it with you. And for this recipe, I will be using 1 drop of this marjoram essential oil and 1 drop of the lime. You can see already that the diffuser is already working. This smells amazing. These diffusers are so easy to use, they are so fragrant, and they leave your house smelling amazing. I can run this mini diffuser at my craft table and I tell you, I can smell whatever fragrance I have going on in it throughout the entire house. And there you have it. That is how you make your own homemade sunscreen. Simply Earth sent the zinc in my monthly subscription box. It was enough for one making of sunscreen. I looked on Amazon. You can buy more zinc on Amazon at a very reasonable price, and it is well worth the money because you know what you're putting in your sunscreen and you can make it whenever you need to, and I think it's cheaper than buying the sunscreen in the cans, and it's gonna last a bit longer. If you're interested in receiving one of Simply Earth's monthly subscription recipe boxes, you can find the link to my coupon code in the description box below, where you will receive a $20 gift card via email after you've ordered your first subscription box, along with a bonus box that is valued at $50, which is designed to get you through 6 months of Simply Earth's recipes, giving you all of the essentials that you need to make the recipes that are sent to you in their monthly subscription box. Simply Earth is an amazing essential oils company. They make it so easy to incorporate essential oils into your everyday life by sending you recipes in your monthly subscription box. I've been incorporating essential oils into my daily life now for about the last 6 months, and I've been incorporating it in ways like making my own laundry soap, my own dishwasher soap, or just using my simple diffuser. It is amazing, and it definitely makes it easy for beginners because you don't have to scour around trying to find recipes using your essential oils because Simply Earth sends them to you. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to 2,000 likes because it really does help my channel to grow by having YouTube recognize my channel a bit more. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy crafting, happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.